So welcome back students in class 8 subject mathematics exercise first C. If A is equals to 5 upon 2, B is equals to minus 1 upon 3 and C is equals to 6 upon 7, then verify first property, that is A into B is equals to B into A. Which property it is? I have already told you this is the commutative property. So we have to verify this. So first left hand side we have to solve. Left hand side is A into B. So that means A is 5 upon 2 into B is minus 1 upon 3. No number can be cut upside and downside. Okay, so directly we can multiply 5 into minus 5, 5 into minus 1, minus 5 upon 2 into 3, 2, 3 are 6. So left hand side has come minus 5 upon 6. So now we have to solve right hand side also. Right hand side B into A. So B value is minus 1 upon 3 into A value is 5 upon 2. So right hand side is equals to 5 into minus 1, that means minus 5 upon 3 to the 6. So since left hand side is equals to right hand side, therefore hence proved or hence verified. Understood? What we have to do? We have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. First we have to solve left hand side, then we have to solve right hand side. Now second one we have to prove. What is the second one? That is A into bracket B into C is equal to bracket A into B into C. Which property it is? It is associative property. Okay. So now left hand side we have to solve first. So left hand side A into bracket B into C. So A means 5 upon 2 into B means minus 1 upon 3 into C means 6 upon 7. Okay. So 5 upon 2 into any number can cut upside and downside. Yes. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2 upon 7 1 ja 7. Now again any number can cut upside and downside. Yes. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So 5 into minus 1, minus 5 upon 7 1 ja 7. So left hand side has come minus 5 upon 7. So now right hand side we have to solve. A multiply bracket multiply C. So A means 5 upon 2 into B means minus 1 upon 3 into C. C value is 6 upon 7. So we have to put 6 upon 7. Now we have to multiply. Any number cutting upside downside? No. So directly 5 1 ja 5 minus 5 upon 3 2 ja 6 into 6 upon 7. Now any number can cut upside and downside. Yes. 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. So minus 5 into 1 minus 5 upon 7 1 ja 7. So right hand side also has come minus 5 upon 7 and left hand side also minus 5 upon 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved or hence verified. Understood? So these two properties we have verified, and now the third one is third property is A multiply bracket b plus c is equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. This property is known as a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So look at here. First, left hand side we have to take a multiply bracket b plus c. So a means 5 upon 2 into b means minus 1 upon 3 plus c means 6 upon 7. So 5 upon 2 into LCM we have to take. Remember one thing, LCM we take only in addition and subtraction. Okay, and multiply and divide we don't take LCM. So 3 7 are 21 because both are prime numbers directly you can multiply. So now 21 divided by 3, 3 7 are 21, so 7 1 are 7, so minus 7 plus 21 divided by 7, 7 3 are 21, so 6 multiply 3, 6 3 are 18. Okay, so 5 upon 2 into 18 minus 7, 11 upon 21. Understood? So any number is cutting upside downside? No. So directly we can multiply 11 5 ja 55 upon 21 2 ja 42. So this is left hand side. Okay. Now we have to solve right hand side also. Okay. So now right hand side, a multiply b plus a multiply c. So a means 5 upon 2 into b means minus 1 upon 3 plus a means 5 upon 2 into c means 6 upon 7. Okay, this value we have put already. Now first these both we have to solve. No number is cutting upside and downside. So minus 5 1 ja minus 5 into 3 2 ja 6. Now here any number can cut upside downside. Yes, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 5 3 ja 15 upon 7 1 ja 7. Okay. Now we have to take LCM of 6 and 7. LCM, everybody knows that how to find LCM. So its LCM will come 42. Okay. So 42. So 42 divided by 6, 6 7 ja 42. So 7 5 ja 35 minus 35 plus 42 divided by 7, then what will come? 7 6 are 42. So multiply by 6, 15 6 are 90. Okay. Now 90 minus 35. So 10 minus 5 5 and 8 minus 3 5. So 55 upon 42. So right hand side also 55 upon 2 and left hand side also 55 upon 250. So since left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore hence proved. Okay. So now fourth property we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So fourth one is A multiply bracket B minus C is equals to A multiply B minus A multiply C. The same property, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Previous was over addition, now this is over subtraction. The same method, left hand side we have to solve. So A multiply bracket B minus C. Okay, we have to put the value. A value is 5 upon 2 into B value is minus 1 upon 3 minus C value is 6 upon 7. So 5 upon 2 into LCM we will take 7 3 are 21. 21 divided by 3, then what will come? 7. 7 into minus 1 minus 7 minus 21 divided by 7 3 and 6 3 are 18. Okay, so 5 upon 2 into minus 25 upon 21. Now any number can cut upside and downside? No? So directly we will multiply 25 5 is 100, 25 upon 21 to the 42. So left hand side is equals to minus 100, 25 upon 42. Now right hand side we have to solve. Right hand side is A multiply B minus A multiply C. So A value is 5 upon 2 multiply B value is minus 1 upon 3 minus A value is 5 upon 2 into C value is 6 upon 7. Okay, so 5 1 minus 5, 2 3 6 minus, it can cut 2 1 2, 2 3 6, so 5 3 15 upon 7. LCM we will take, what will come? 42. Now 6 7 42, 7 multiply minus 5, so minus 35 minus 7 6 42, so 15 6 90. So both are negative. So we know that when both are negative, then minus sign will come and addition will happen. 5 and 0 5, 9 and 3 12. 125 upon 42. So right hand side has come minus 125 upon 42 and left hand side also minus 125 upon 42. So since left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore hence verified. Okay. So I hope these questions you can do now yourself. These were the property which we have proved by solving the left hand side and right hand side. Okay. So